Guys, it's Blake here at Smoken Products. Wanted to go over the Flavor Savor and show you a couple different configurations. Again, remember, when you open it up, it comes with the integrated cutting board, the two removable inserts, and it comes with two plastic lids for serving. So today we're going to talk a little bit about different configurations we can use. And we're going to have, so we can serve both out of the lid and on the base. If you're only serving out of one of them, a nice little tip is that you can turn this over, and they have locking mechanisms in here so you can actually make it a higher serving area if you wish. But we're going to do a couple different things here where we wanted to do ribs and we wanted to separate them. We can just use two half pans. And the half pans will fit in the base and in the lid. So we could serve, two sets of ribs here, like spicy and non-spicy. And then if we wanted to serve brisket and we wanted to serve it in one pan, we would just put it here. So you have all kinds of different configurations. If you wanted to serve coleslaw, potato salad, and some greens, you can actually divide it into thirds. Again, you can do this both on the lid and on the base. So if you were doing this with the half pans, you wanted to serve, just put them in the base, put your cutting board back on, you can put the plastic lids on, serve just that way. Again, if you wanted to just serve, you could use the plastic lids, set them, and now you can serve, use your tongs to get your food out. You can see what's in there. So a couple of different options. I went to a local restaurant supply store. So if you don't want to use disposable pans, you can buy these. They're like $5 or $6 a piece. But again, they fit very nicely. So this is the lid. So you can buy these lids as well. So if you're wanting to eat outside, you can do that. Have those covered. I also bought a couple half pans. So you can put those in our base. And then again, we can use our cutting board and our plastic lid. So if you wanted to serve outside, again, use your tongs, dig in. So one of the things that we're going to be cooking is fajitas. And so I like to grill bell peppers and onions and jalapenos. So you can do that, stick those in there. Again, makes it really easy to get your food out. Just a couple different variations. Just wanted to show you alternative setups for the Flavor Savor. Check us out on our website, smokenproducts.com.